I've really been laying on the guilt.
Did you break out the sad eyes?
You mean these bad boys?
What do we do? We're just gonna have to...
Can't. It's a long story, but I'm helping Veronica break Archie out of juvie, and I'm hoping you can come with us.
Wait, what?
Gotta say, it's good to be back. And Alice Cooper, she was looking extra sweet the night me and my boys broke into her house and scared the crap out of her and her bitch daughter. That was fun.
Archie out of juvie, and I'm hoping you can come with us.
Wait, what? You're breaking Archie out of juvie?
I know it sounds insane.
No.
In English phrasal verbs we will learn the verb, break out. It means 1. To escape from a place, situation or way of life. Noun, break out, a violent escape. Examples, Tim had been wanting to break out of his boring routine for some time, so he enrolled in a martial arts and cooking class. Alcatraz shut down after its reputation for being inescapable was shattered by 3 prisoners who broke out and were never found. There was a breakout from a jail in Russia 2 weeks ago, and the prisoners are still at large. 2. When a disease, war, or fight starts. Examples, if a war breaks out, the entire world will be doomed. During the Occupy movement, many fights broke out between the protestors and the police. 3. When something appears on your skin. Examples, Mary used Sarah's makeup brush and broke out the next day. Jim breaks out in a sweat whenever he speaks in public. Now, let's see how break out is used in real life.
Can't. It's a long story, but I'm helping Veronica break Archie out of juvie, and I'm hoping you can come with us.
Wait, what?
Love with me. Now, probably half that if I break out the old cow eyes.
30 seconds.
Fine, just break out some of your Kama Sutra moves.
I don't really know any of that stuff. I just pretend.
Quick. We gotta break out of here before we're totally boxed in.
Oh, it even has a tree with a broken limb out front. And the window in the attic.
You're breaking Archie out of juvie?
We'll need a distraction to disorient the guards and hide Archie's...
And Alice Cooper, she was looking extra sweet the night me and my boys broke into her house and scared the crap out of her and her bitch daughter. That was fun.
20 minutes, we just had to break ourselves out of that bathroom.
I'm so happy to see you again.
No, seriously.
That place is the Hellmouth of Riverdale. We have to break her out of there. Betty said she's working on that. But you and I...
Guilt.
Did you break out the sad eyes?
You mean these bad boys?
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.